Ryobi, what do you even call this? A brad nailer. We're opening a brad nailer, and one of the reasons I got this was, well, let me show you. My other brad nailer. For some reason, nothing is firing in it. The engine's not running at all, and I've tried to fix it, but with no luck. So, we're just gonna put that down here. So I just went ahead and bought it for my master bathroom renovation, which is really fun. I extended it, and you should go check out that video after this one. But in the box, I forgot what's in here, but we got some brad nails, and then we have the thingy with some directions. Not much going on, and a clip. So we have this one, and I'll show you how it works here in, well, actually in my master bathroom. So let's get it. Alrighty, first step here is to make sure you have the right gauge of nails. This is for 18 gauge, so I got some 18 gauge 2-inch nails for trim. If you don't get the right gauge, this won't work. I had that happen the first time I used this, where I thought it was broken because it wasn't firing, but it was just that the nails were not correct. And so you can see here, just sliding them in here, and you slide it up like that, and boop boop. Alrighty, now we're going to do a test of the brad nailer. Alright, so this needs to be deeper a little bit, so I'm gonna turn it this way. There we go. Alright, we got the door leveled off, and now the brad nails for the existing trim. Okay, and here is where I run into my first issue. But first, I'm switching out the nails from the 2.5 inch to the 1.5 inch for some drawer boxes. I sprayed some WD-40 on it. Let's check it again. Much better. So the hammer was already getting stuck, but that WD-40 loosened it back up and all was working perfectly fine. I'll get into more about that in a second. But let's look into the finishing of these nails. Once I moved the depthness of the nails back, it sank into the trim just as I needed. And here are the drawers that I put together with these brad nails. It is super sturdy. So, the verdict on the brad nailer, Ryobi brad nailer, is, you know, it's okay. And as I said multiple times already, I had another one and it crapped out. I probably dropped it and it broke. This one so far has been good. I already had to WD-40 the hammer up top, which is kind of annoying. I didn't have to do that with the other one at all. But I think I got this for close to 100, maybe a little bit over. And so, yeah, if you're looking for a budget brad nailer, this one does the trick. If you're using it a lot, I would say just go and get a different brand, honestly. Like, I've never had problems with Ryobi, but this one doesn't seem to be the best. So I would vote, get a different brand, get something like Milwaukee or all the other ones that are better brands. But yeah, you let me know in the comments if you ever had problems with this or which brad nailer you suggest. If I need to upgrade in the future, I will probably do so. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And make sure you hit that subscribe and go check out my master bathroom remodel series like you saw some of the clips in the video. And I will see you over there, and I'll see you out there. Alrighty, see you later.